Welcome to the Bike Review. Today, we're diving into the future of motorcycling with Zero Motorcycles, a brand that has redefined what it means to ride electric. With cutting-edge technology, sleek designs, and a commitment to sustainability, Zero Motorcycles is leading the charge in the electric revolution. Whether you're a seasoned rider or someone curious about electric bikes, Zero Motorcycles offers something extraordinary for every enthusiast. Founded in 2006 in California, Zero Motorcycles has become the pioneer in the electric motorcycle industry. The company began with a simple mission: to combine the thrill of riding with the benefits of zero-emission technology. Over the years, Zero has developed a reputation for innovation, building motorcycles that rival their gas-powered counterparts in performance and range. Zero Motorcycles is not just about being electric, it's about delivering performance. Their bikes feature powerful electric motors capable of producing instant torque, providing a thrilling and smooth acceleration experience. With top speeds exceeding 120 miles per hour in models like the SR/S, and 0 to 60 times rivaling sports cars, these bikes prove that electric doesn't mean compromising on excitement. Of the past with Zero Motorcycles. Equipped with advanced lithium-ion battery packs, Zero's lineup offers ranges of up to 200 miles on a single charge. Plus, with their rapid charging technology, you can charge up to 95% in as little as an hour. Whether you're commuting in the city or hitting the open road, these bikes are designed to go the distance. Zero Motorcycles caters to a variety of riders with their diverse lineup. For urban commuters, the Zero FXE offers a lightweight, agile design perfect for navigating busy streets. For adventure seekers, the DSR-X provides off-road capability and rugged durability. And for those craving high performance, the SR/S and SR-F deliver sport bike thrills with futuristic styling. No matter your riding style, Zero has a bike tailored to your needs. Cost and sustainability. While the upfront cost of a Zero motorcycle might be higher than traditional bikes, the long-term savings are substantial. With minimal maintenance requirements, no need for gas, and lower operating costs, owning a Zero is both eco-friendly and economical. Each ride contributes to a cleaner planet, making Zero Motorcycles an investment in a sustainable future. Motorcycles is at the forefront of integrating technology into their bikes. Features like customizable ride modes, a full-color TFT display, and smartphone connectivity allow riders to tailor their experience. The Zero app provides real-time stats, GPS navigation, and even remote diagnostics, ensuring your ride is always optimized for performance and safety. Riding a Zero motorcycle is unlike anything else. The absence of a traditional engine means no noise, no vibration, and no emissions, just pure, uninterrupted riding. This silent operation enhances the connection between rider and road, making every journey an immersive experience. Whether you're carving through twisty mountain roads or cruising along the highway, Zero Motorcycles offers a ride that's as smooth as it is exhilarating. Continues to push boundaries, exploring new technologies and expanding their lineup. With advancements in battery technology and increasing global interest in electric mobility, Zero is poised to shape the future of motorcycling. As regulations tighten on emissions and the world shifts toward sustainable transportation, Zero's vision aligns perfectly with the road ahead. Zero Motorcycles just building bikes, they're creating a movement. Combining performance, sustainability, and cutting-edge technology, they've set a new standard for what motorcycles can be. If you're ready to embrace the future of riding, Zero Motorcycles is the brand to watch. Thanks for tuning into the Bike Review. If you found this overview helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the latest and greatest in the world of motorcycles. See you in the next video.